The peacock, with its iridescent plumage and mesmerizing fan, is a creature that captures the imagination. These majestic birds, native to Asia, aren't just about beauty, though. Their lives are woven with fascinating biology, cultural significance, and even a touch of myth. Male peacocks, known for their extravagant display, are the true stars of the show. Their long tail feathers, technically called train, boast hundreds of eye-shaped markings shimmering with blues, greens, and golds. But this elaborate finery isn't just for aesthetics. It's a visual masterpiece designed